reported a major step, in fact, in this fight against coronavirus. India gets its own testing kit. It's a big breakthrough in the COVID-19 testing. In fact, a lab has received the ICMR approval as well that has made this indigenous COVID-19 test kit. A Pune-based molecular diagnostics company which specializes in molecular diagnostic kits has developed first made-in-India test kit for COVID-19 in a record time of 6 weeks. The kit, MyLab Patho Detect COVID-19 Qualitative PCR Kit, is the first one to receive commercial approval from the Indian FDA and the Central Drug Standard Control Organization. MyLab is the only Indian company to have achieved 100% sensitivity and specificity in the ICMR evaluation. We are now joined by Dr. Gautam Wankere, Director of the Medical Affairs of MyLab Discovery Solutions Private Limited. Sir, congratulations to you. This is good news coming in. And my first question is, your claim to have manufactured a COVID-19 test kit. Can you tell us more about this and how soon can we expect this kit in market?
Right. So MyLab Discovery has just got the approval from ICMR and CDSCO for the COVID-19 kit based on the real-time PCR. And I would first of all like to thank CDSCO and ICMR and everyone at NIV for the speed at which they have evaluated this kit and given us the license to go ahead. Now, we just got the license yesterday evening, and our team, as we speak, has already started putting in all the efforts, and they're working very hard. We hope to get the first batch of kits out hopefully by end of tomorrow, or all tested and QC'd. Day after tomorrow, early morning, we should have started supplying the first batch.
Well, could you also help us understand how did you achieve this breakthrough, the science and the effort behind getting this together?
Right. So first of all, hats off to the team of our lab team. They really put in a lot of effort over the last 2.5 or 2 months. So basically, one good thing which over here was that the WHO and CDC made the genome public. So normally this is usually kept with the researchers, but all the manufacturers in the world knew that this is the particular gene that we have to target if we have to detect corona. And then our team got down, they developed the right concentration, right amount of testing was done to develop this kit, wherein we could not only detect the right cases, but also not have any cross-reactivity, false positivity. So hats off to our team. They worked really hard. And over the last 2 months, all of them have been working 16 to 18 hours a day. And when we got the report from ICMR last afternoon, we knew we are going to get a good report. So it was not a surprise for us, but it was a big relief for us that all the efforts have finally, given us the right results.
Dr. Wankere, India is currently importing the test kits from countries like Germany and Switzerland. Do you think this dependency will, in a way, reduce once your kits are available in the market?
Definitely. You see, with the population in India and, the way experts are talking about the situation may get even worse with stage 3 coming in, we would definitely require a lot more testing. At least we should be prepared for the worst case. And being completely dependent on foreign-made kits or foreign suppliers, international suppliers, may eventually, hopefully not, but may lead to a problem where if they decided not to supply for whatever reason, for example, the flights may stop coming in, and then the country may be in a big problem. So that's why it's very important to have indigenous suppliers of good quality kits ready, just in case we reach a stage where we require a lot of testing to be done across the country.
Well, the next obvious question obviously is going to be about the price of this testing kit. ICMR has appealed for private labs to conduct this test for free. You think, you can provide this at a nominal cost or price point?
Right. So as I said a little while back,